Sometimes unexpected things happen. When you find yourself in this situation, there are 5 things that we need to do. The first is that we need to realize that this is the qadr of Allah, and there is nothing we or me or you or anyone else could have done to avoid this situation. This was going to happen no matter what. The second thing is we need to choose our reaction to the situation. So there's a couple of different options. The first is that if it's a good situation, we be grateful. If it's a tough situation, we be patient. Or if it's something that we've done wrong, then we actually ask Allah for forgiveness. So be patient, be grateful, or ask Allah for forgiveness. The third thing that we would need to do is actually take some sort of action to rectify it or to accommodate the situation. So in this situation, when it's terrible weather, is actually drive more safely, make sure your car's clean, be more alert, and all those things. The fourth thing we need to do is actually make dua. Ask Allah to help you, ask Allah to make it easy for you, ask Allah to put barakah in the situation. And then the fifth and the final thing is to learn lessons so that whatever it is, we avoid it in the future if we can, and if we can't, we just prepare for it. Jazakallah khair for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.